drivers, and welcome to Motion RC. My name is Bill Jarek, and I'm the Surface Category Manager for Motion RC, and I'm with you today to tell you about an exciting new release from our Primus brand of RC cars and trucks. This new A-scale Panther high-performance four-wheel drive buggy is now available, and I want to take a few moments here to share with you some of the features of this 4S brushless powered monster. I'm confident that it'll serve you well as a bash buggy or as an entry-level race car into competition. Let's begin with the fact that this buggy arrives completely ready to run, fully assembled and ready for your choice of battery and charger. Let's dive into the details of what makes this product special. The first thing that I'd like to show you about this special vehicle is the heavy-duty 3mm thick aluminum chassis. Included with that chassis are very heavy-duty fore and aft braces for durability, rigidity, and super sharp handling. Next up, we have a 160 amp programmable ESC by our friends at ZTW, powering a 4-pole 2150 kV brushless motor. You'll also note that we have a sealed radio box and servo mount. Looking at the under the hood features of this Primus Panther, we begin with a powerful metal geared servo. We also include an aluminum servo arm for the ultimate in rigidity and precise control. A heavy-duty steering system with an aluminum slider allows for the adjustment of the critical Ackerman effect, which is where you can adjust the inside tire to turn more than the outside in order to offer the handling and the steering feel that you desire. Moving on to the pro-level drivetrain, I'm happy to explain to you that this car features something that is normally only found in pro-level buggies, and that is a steel spur gear, a steel pinion, and also an adjustable motor mount. Usually these are not features found in ready-to-runs. In fact, most ready-to-runs use plastic spur gears. So this is truly a pro-level drivetrain. The pro-level drivetrain on the Primus Panther features complete ball bearings, oil-filled rear diff, center diff, and front differential, all tunable using various fluids and greases so that you can obtain optimum performance whether you're racing or bashing. Let's move on to the features of the front end on the Primus Panther. You'll notice that we used a C-hub type front suspension versus pillow ball, and that's for a couple of reasons. I believe that a C-hub suspension is much more durable, much more bashable, and ultimately more reliable than a pillow ball type suspension, which is why we chose that. In addition, you'll note that we have headed hinge pins with retaining nuts that are much more reliable and eliminate the use of aggravating E-clips. As we remain on the front end, you'll notice that we have oversized, oil-filled aluminum shocks with threaded adjusters, but most importantly, we have very, very handy dust covers for the bottom spring perch, which allows precise handling, less maintenance, and no dirt buildup at the bottom of shocks, which negatively affects your handling. Lastly, on the front end, we have adjustable anti-roll bars, a critical adjustment when handling adjusting the handling for either running on smooth surfaces, rough blown out tracks, big jumps, little jumps, etc. And lastly, we have adjustable droop settings in the front. That's important because droop is a critical adjustment that allows you to tune the vehicle for razor sharp handling, whether it's on asphalt, whether it's on smooth dirt, or whether it's on ruddy blown out surfaces. Moving on to the rear of the Primus Panther, you'll notice that on the rear hubs, they are available for adjustment. You'll see the washers here that allow you to adjust the wheelbase fore and aft in order to fine-tune your handling. A shorter wheelbase will make the car more reactive, will make it transfer weight a little bit quicker, and many drivers like that as a critical tuning aid depending on how tight the corners are on the racetrack. Conversely, moving it in its stock location of the longest wheelbase, the car is extremely stable and jumps best in a long wheelbase configuration. Like the front end, we feature oil-filled shocks, again with threaded adjusters, lower dust caps, rear anti-roll bar, also adjustable, and of course, rear droop screws. Also included with the Primus Panther is a molded high downforce, durable polycarbonate wing. It is adjustable in angle and height in order for you to fine-tune the handling and get the utmost performance out of your vehicle. One of the things that I really like about the Primus Panther is the variety of batteries that can be used with this. In all of my development, I used a standard Admiral 5300 4S hard case battery. But for competition level drivers, or if you have battery packs already in your arsenal, the versatility is awesome. For example, you can use a 4S competition shorty pack for the utmost in performance. Or you can use a large capacity competition 4S pack from companies such as Genzace. Lastly, if you have 2S packs available, you can run dual 2S packs in series, making the versatility and convenience truly outstanding to power your Panther. Topping off the Primus Panther is a factory decorated polycarbonate body that is form-fitted to the chassis side guards to resist dirt and dust, and also to make sure this bad boy handles exactly like you want it to. And lastly, topping off this package is a precision 2.4 gigahertz pistol grip transmitter. It's ergonomically designed for a wide variety of hand sizes and includes all the required adjustments that your Panther will need, including steering dual rate, throttle trim, servo center, and auxiliary channel controls. This concludes our introduction of the new Primus Panther A-scale electric brushless off-road buggy. Remember, whether it's air, land, or sea, visit motionrc.com and we'll see you on the next product video.